Hi everybody, my name is Audrey Archambault. I have been studying in Arts, Letters and Communication Option Media at Montmorency College for 2 years now. I will finish this semester and I will continue my studies in communication at Montreal University next semester. In my field of study, we learned a lot of things in the different media. We use more software than websites for editing, for example, but a website that some of my teachers taught us is EMDB. It's a website that helps you with some additional information about movies. It's very convenient when you want to learn more about your favorite movies, directors, or actors, and to add relevant content in a movie analysis, for example. So I will show you a little demonstration of this website so you will be able to use it. So first of all, you have to open any browser you like, and you go on the top of your screen and open a new tab. Under the tab, you have the address bar where you will write the URL, which is emdb.com. First of all, at the top left of the screen, you have the logo. In the middle, you have the text area to do your research. And at the opposite side of the screen, you have the little logo to share your research with your friend. So I will do two examples for you. So first of all, I will show you how to use the website to add information in a work or project in my field of study. So we really use EMDB more than Wikipedia, for example, because EMDB has many information and complete information. So first of all, you go on the text area and write the title of the movie. So you have the name, the date, the time, the type of movie, the rate, and the trailer. When you scroll down, you will have many information. Like you have videos, photos, you have all the cast. And if you want to learn more about a character, you can click on his name and you will see all the work he had done. Like you have a little text, you have all the work here. I will go back to the last page. So I will show you more information. You have the storyline, you have all the details like the language, the country, about the movie, and you have the box office. So all this information is really interesting to do a complete work on a precise movie. So the second example is more for family things, like if you want to watch a movie with kids but you're not sure if they can watch it because you think the movie had too much sexual scene or violence scene, you can go on EMDB and you can read about it. So example, you take another movie, you go on the text area and write the title. You will scroll down a little bit and you will see the parents guide over there, and you will click on view content advisory. And when you scroll down a little bit more, you will see sex and nudity. You can read that there's no sex and nudity. And when you scroll down, you can see how many violence and gore you have in this movie. So that's really interesting to know. So that's all for my little tutorial. I hope you like it and I hope you will use it. So thanks for watching.